Cause I realize I got myself, it's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself, it's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend.
Yeah, come on. There we go. Fire in the hole. All right.
Late night Target adventures. Well, it's not late night. It's like 9 o'clock. I came in here for a brow pencil. I don't know the color I have at home though. Is it mocha? I think this might be too dark. Java looks cute. Do they have any? Oh, they do. Yeah, I'm gonna go with this one. These are on sale 3 for $8, which I really like these. So I'm gonna do the Pink Lady Apple. Berry Lemonade. I don't think I've had this one. No. Mango Lemonade. Ooh. Glow Up. Yeah, let's do this one. Our kids are currently grabbing some snacks and food to take to my mom's house, to Nana's house tomorrow, because that's where they're going to be going.
Can I tell them something?
What?
And Colin and Corbin have a game, softball game, so I'm excited.
Yes, they do. They're going to Corbin's baseball. I think it's baseball.
Can we go
Softball,
back
I don't know what it is.
and
Baseball, softball. I guess it's baseball.
Can we go back?
Ew, for some reason, that does not sound good. Regular potato chips? Or Chester's? I don't know. I don't know about that one.
You're telling me Chester's and hot Cheetos are not the same thing? Other people make you?
Oh my god, they done found pretzel pillows.
It's so soft. Feel it. Isn't it so soft?
It's actually pretty tough. Alright, they want to stop and look at everything.
This one item trip turned into looking at.
Yeah, I came here for a brow pencil. The Morphe brow pencil, and we are leaving with all this junk. How does that happen? Strawberry digestive support, and this supports healthy digestion, and spiced blackberry focus supports alertness, clarity, and concentration. So that's what I'm going to have today. Also have my water that I fill up every morning, and we're out of eggs, so I'm just making a sausage muffin so that I have my water heating up in the microwave, which, by the way, I just learned that you're not supposed to heat water up in the microwave, because it was this TikTok I was watching, and this young girl, she's like a teenager, she was heating up some tea before bed, and the water was like still, it wasn't like boiling, it wasn't bubbling or anything, it was just really hot. She goes to put her tea bags in the tea, and it completely explodes. She gets burns all over her, and the cup is like completely dry apparently. And then I watched another TikTok, and somebody was like heating up their tea or doing something, and somebody in the comments was like, yeah, don't heat your water up in the microwave, get like a kettle. So I never heat my water up too hot. I only heat it for 1 minute, and so I never exceed a minute. But yeah, I did learn that. Apparently, I don't exactly know the science. I watched somebody explain it, but I guess once something touches the water, activates all those particles that are just moving around in the water super fast. And once you put something in there, it kind of like activates it and it makes it explode. So if you are heating your water up in the microwave, please be careful and don't heat it too long. But the kids are currently getting ready for school. She's eating a piece of sausage. I'm gonna let this sit. I'll probably let this sit for maybe 30 minutes. I kind of just leave it alone, let it cool down, drink my water. Also, while Drew took Brock and Damari to go fishing yesterday with his friend, they caught some fish. While they were doing that, it was just me and Drew. So I was like, I need to go grocery shopping. But I bought the fancy milk. They were out of, I went to Kroger, they were out of 2% milk. So I was like, perfect time to try the fancy milk. So I got the chocolate milk. And I also got just the regular 2% milk, which they haven't opened yet. Yeah, the chocolate milk is really good. What else did I get from there? I think I got some chicken. They had like 5-piece chicken on sale for $5. Y'all, I did not know it was chicken tenders. They were so freaking good. So I think anytime I go back, like I'm gonna do the regular chicken, but I'm gonna also do the chicken tenders because I didn't know they did that. And they were so good. And they're not like little skinny little chicken tenders. Them things were meaty, like almost a half of a chicken breast. It was really good. And it was only $5 for 5 like really big pieces. These are on sale 2 for $5. So I got organic tropical passion, apple, ginger, pineapple, carrot, mango, passion fruit, and lime. I got organic greens and ginger, celery, apple, cucumber, spinach, romaine, kale, and ginger. This is organic sweet apple greens, cucumber, apple, celery, spinach, pineapple, and romaine. This one is organic berry defense up, mango, raspberry, something else, and probiotics. So these are 2 for $5, which is a really good deal. And this isn't like those other drinks that claim to be like juices. These actually only have the fruits and vegetables. Like I read the ingredients and it's no like weird stuff in there. So normally I get my juices from Fresh Time, but I haven't been there in a couple of weeks. Oh, and I also picked up this air fry Spiso maple Brussels sprouts. I'm gonna make some bacon with this today and cook this up and have this for my lunch. And I bought a couple other things, but that was like about it. All right, I am going to finish getting them ready for school and then I'll catch up with y'all later. Hey y'all, it is officially my birthday, 4/29. I just got done cleaning up. I need to do something with my hair because I'm going out tonight. I'm going to this lounge that I haven't been to yet, but everybody on social media talks about it. It's called Shadow Lounge. I guess it's like the spot to go like every night, especially during like brunch and on the weekends. Apparently on Mondays they have karaoke night. I don't know what they're going to be having going on tonight. Maybe nothing, but it's my actual birthday today. So me and my friend are going to go out and have that tonight for dinner and just hang out. It's just me and her. I don't think anybody else is coming. I really didn't even invite anybody else. I kind of want to I did a lot last weekend. So this week I'm kind of keeping it cute, keeping it light. And then my grandma's birthday is in 2 days. And then I think as a family, we're going out to eat on Sunday to celebrate me and my grandmother's birthday. Because I haven't celebrated my birthday yet with my family. So me and my grandma usually do something together, like a dinner or something. So that's what we're going to do. I did go to Chili's yesterday. So I do have some leftover chilies that I'm about to heat up. Then I'm about to get myself together because I do want to spend, I should have spent yesterday out, but I slept all day yesterday, y'all. The weekend tore me up. I went to Kentucky. I don't even think I vlogged any of that. Let me rewind here. So last weekend, I was supposed to go to Houston, which I told y'all that. I did like a clothing haul. I didn't end up going to that. I just didn't feel like, I didn't end up going. Let me just say that. I didn't end up going. I just felt like I shouldn't go. I made the right decision, so I didn't go. Then my friend invited me to go to Kentucky with her because there was this like trap wing festival. I'm thinking it's going to be like this huge event where like we go to this venue, they have different like wing vendors, different wings we can try out. No, y'all, it was a club and a man was in the back. I guess it was his wing company, I don't know, but he was back there frying up a bunch of chicken wings and bringing them out. Now the wings were delicious, okay, I'm not gonna knock him for that, but it was just a club. And then they had the aluminum pans laid out on the table and they gave you like 3 wings at a time. You have to go back in the long line to get more wings. So the first time they gave us 3 wings. So the second time we went around, I hadn't eaten all day because I'm thinking, well, I'm about to go to a wing festival. You know what I mean? So I didn't eat nothing. I whispered in that man's ear. I said, come here. Come here. I said, look, I'm hungry. They only gave me 3 wings last time. Can you just give me as much as you can? And he gave me 10 wings. I think it was like 5 flavors up there. And he gave me 2 of each. So I do appreciate that. So like I said, the wings were delicious, but they really didn't give us a lot. So I did get the triple dipper. I literally have 1 slider, 1 tender, and 1 mozzarella stick left. And then as we were leaving, they were like, they had the air conditioning wasn't working. So I guess our waiter was like trying to be like really, really nice to us. And he gave us a whole bag of tortilla chips to take home. And extra salsa. So he hooked us up. So I'm about to have this along with my berry limeade kombucha. I haven't had this one yet. But yeah, last Friday, oh, that's good. Last Friday, me and the kids had hibachi to celebrate my birthday because I wanted to do something like every day. So Friday, me and the kids had hibachi for dinner. And then Saturday, I went to Kentucky, hung out with my friends, and then Sunday, I don't think I did nothing. No, Brock went fishing on Sunday and brought home some fish, and then their dad cleaned the fish, and then I deep fried it. So Brock got to try the fish that he caught. So that was really fun. So that was all that happened. I was supposed to go out Sunday, but I was too tired. I was too tired after Saturday, and I couldn't do it. But I am gonna go out tonight. So right now, I think it just got done raining. I think it's supposed to rain on and off. But I am about to heat up this food, get myself together, and then just start my day. I really want to vlog today.
What you think you know.
finished up bottling the hair oil. I still have like a little bit left. As you can see, that color change, that is so good. I love the herbs that I've been buying because you can really see what type of work it's going to be doing to your hair and scalp. Because this was not this color originally. This is, you see the hibiscus and all the herbs extracted into the oil, which I love. But I did bottle everything up, and this time around I decided to put the herbs at the bottom. So after I filtered it, I scooped what herbs was left in the bowl, and I scooped some of them into the bottle. So I'm going to try that out. I like this idea because it just provides so many good benefits to your hair and scalp. I hate when I have to throw those herbs away. They're just so good. And so, like I said, this really just shows how great that those herbs are. And I would just hate to see it go to waste. So I'm going to put some at the bottom of the oil bottles. I'm not ready to sell these yet because I need to buy some labels for them and put them on there. But I mean, they're all bottled up and ready to go. And keep in mind, these oils have been sitting in the herbs soaking for a week. So you are going to get all the great benefits plus the benefits from the herbs left in the bottle. So I'm super excited about this go around of the hair growth serum. And I did change up the formula just a tad bit. I kind of added some extra oils, took out some oils, added a little bit of this oil, a little bit of that oil, more of this oil. So yeah, as you can see, like each bottle is going to look a little different. But yeah, those are my hair growth serums. And I'm switching over to these bottles, like I told you guys, which I actually really, really like. And then they also have clear ones. So my split end serum is going to go in the clear ones. Like I said, it's still going to kind of, for the most part, be the same. And then I'm going to get some pink ones for some other oil that I plan on making. Also ordered some pizza from Donato's. This is the hot honey pepperoni, which is my favorite right now. And I think this one's just regular pepperoni. Yeah.
That's all I got in the end. That's what I found out.